A luxurious retreat accommodation that beautifully restored farmhouse blending rustic charm with modern elegance. Designed by Millie, it accommodates up to 10 guests in a cozy yet refined space, combining natural materials with sophisticated decor. This luxurious retreat offers an exceptional escape, balancing comfort and style. It is a stunning example of modern interior design blended with rustic charm. This beautifully restored farmhouse, accommodation that offers a luxurious retreat for up to 10 guests. Designed by renowned interior designer Millie, the home exudes elegance and warmth, making it a perfect escape for those seeking tranquility and style. The design of the house reflects a harmonious balance between traditional farmhouse aesthetics and contemporary sophistication. Millie Turner's expertise is evident in every detail, from the carefully curated furnishings to the thoughtful use of textures and colors. The interiors are designed to create a cozy yet refined atmosphere, with an emphasis on natural materials and timeless elegance. The decor incorporates elements that celebrate the surrounding countryside, seamlessly blending the indoors with the beauty of the surrounding landscape. This home prioritizes both aesthetics and functionality, with spacious living areas that encourage relaxation and socialization. The open-plan kitchen and dining area is perfect for hosting family meals or intimate gatherings, featuring high-end appliances and bespoke cabinetry that enhance the farmhouse's traditional appeal while incorporating modern luxury. The farmhouse's 5 beautifully appointed bedrooms offer a tranquil haven for rest, each one designed with comfort in mind. With an emphasis on natural materials, soft linens, and a soothing color scheme, every room is a serene retreat. The master suite, featuring panoramic views of the rolling hills, is the highlight of the home, providing guests with a sense of calm and seclusion. Large windows throughout the property frame breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside, inviting natural light to flood the interiors. Whether you're gazing out from the comfort of the living room or enjoying a cup of tea on the terrace, the views offer a sense of tranquility that complements the home's idyllic location. There's a charming bunk room featuring a built-in staircase that hides a secret bookcase, perfect for curious explorers. The twin bedroom, tucked in the eaves, has its walls and ceiling enveloped in a vibrant, contemporary floral wallpaper from Autoline Guerlain. The house is filled with thoughtful details at every turn, such as a stunning Sophie Cooney runner on the stairs and slipper chairs upholstered in Lewis and Wood's tea rose fabric from the Bucher collection. Millie, who sourced a unique mix of antiques from various fairs across the country, also curated artwork from Studio Ham to complete the look. The downstairs bathroom boasts a beautiful sewn-scrolling fern silhouette pattern, while a hidden door reveals a discreet cinema room, adding an element of surprise to the home.